Japanese wagashi are known for their delicate beauty and rich history, beloved around the world. These sweets reflect the changing seasons, emphasizing the beauty of nature and the seasons. For example, in spring, there are wagashi shaped like cherry blossoms. In summer, cool jellies and agar desserts. In autumn, sweets made with chestnuts and sweet potatoes. And in winter, white mochi or kuzu mochi that evoke the image of snow. The appeal of wagashi lies not only in their appearance, but also in their taste and texture. Ingredients such as anko, a sweet paste made from azuki beans, kinako, roasted soybean flour, and agar, a jelly-like substance made from seaweed, are frequently used, symbolizing Japan's traditional food culture and the importance of harmony with the seasons and nature. Moreover, wagashi are deeply connected to the tea ceremony, embodying Japanese culture. In the tea ceremony, wagashi are served before the tea, enhancing the flavor of the bitter matcha that follows. This combination embodies the aesthetics of contrast and harmony. The intricate beauty and deep cultural background of wagashi are reasons they are loved beyond borders. Their shape, color, taste, and texture, and the seasonal and natural beauty they represent, showcase the unique aesthetics and craftsmanship of Japan. Through wagashi, people can experience the respect for tradition, culture, and nature in Japan.